welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm doing a little bit of a Q&A. This video was requested about a month ago and I just haven't got around to filming it. I did ask for the questions about a month ago, but just life's got in the way and I haven't done it. So I asked on Instagram and I got around 10 questions. No, about 14 questions. Some people have asked to remain anonymous, so those ones I won't say who asked them, but the ones who don't mind, I'll put their Instagram name on the screen, so you can see who asked the question. Yeah, we're just going to jump in. So the first question is someone who wants to remain anonymous, and it was dogs or cats. Both, really. I have a dog. We have Mr. Bob, who is a Staffordshire Bull Terrier, and he is nearly 10. Yeah, he'll be 10 next year. So yeah, he's 9. And he is amazing. He's really lovely and cuddly, but he's very clingy. He does not like other dogs. He just loves people, and he needs to be in the room with people all the time. Or he just whinges constantly, like barks and whinges constantly. So like when the girls are eating, I have to shut him out because he is a bugger for trying to, he'll literally just go up to their plate and just go and just take food off their plate really sneakily. So when he's in the other room, when the girls are eating, he's just like this. So he has put me off ever having another dog. But I do love cats as well. I had 4 cats as I was growing up. We had one old cat that was my mum's, and then we got 3 kittens. We had Suki, Bruiser, Checker and Morticia. And yeah, I absolutely love cats, and I think I would like to have a cat again in the future. But yeah, I love cats and dogs. Okay, Bexify asked, what are your plans for YouTube? Now this was a bit of a hard question because I don't really have any plans. I just make videos because I like making them. Yeah, I haven't really got massive plans or anything. I don't ever imagine I'll get much more followers than what I've got now, which is absolutely fine. I'm absolutely amazed every single day when I see that it's not like just my mum watching me. It blows my mind. But it is amazing. I absolutely love it. But yeah, I haven't really got any other plans. I would love to just do loads and loads of unboxing videos, which is what I kind of started doing, but I just can't afford to, with being a stay-at-home mum, having my own business, and with like the girls and stuff. I just can't afford to do all the unboxings that I'd like to, so I am kind of doing a little bit more like mum videos because they're free for me to do. But yeah, no massive plans, just carrying on, enjoying it as I am and have been for the last 18 months. So yeah, that's that question. Next one is from Tammy. I'll put her name. It's Tammy YNG. If you can only have one eyeshadow makeup palette for the rest of your life, what would it be? I think, that's a really hard question. I think it would probably be a Morphe palette, just because of the range of shadows. You get like lots. If it was the ones that I have now, it'd probably have to be my 25A palette, because it's all nice warm tones, and then it's got some really nice metallics and some shimmers. Yeah, if that was out of the ones I have now, it would be my 25A. But I think if it was just any palette, then it would probably be, I don't know. I'm gonna say the 25A because it's not too big. It's a big palette, but it's got a nice range of warm tones, which is where my comfort is. I like warm tones and shimmers and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna say the 25A from Morphe because they're good shadows and it's a good range. She asked another question and she said, what made you take the plunge to film and upload your first video on YouTube? Basically, I was lonely. I had moved an hour away from my friends and I had a 18-month-old and a 6-month-old. I couldn't drive. We lived we moved to a tiny village where no matter how hard I tried, I went to baby groups and stuff, and I just couldn't seem to make any friends, and I was just really lonely, and the baby blues were getting me, and I just kind of, I'd go a whole week and the only people I'd see would be Ben, my mum and his mum, and anyone like in the shops and stuff. I wouldn't ever see anybody else, and I just kind of wanted someone to talk to. So I thought, well, I'll film a video, because I'd been watching YouTube for a while, and I thought, well, I'll film a video, and then even if I don't upload it, it's just kind of like talking to a camera. It's just talking, and it kind of just, it helped me get out of a dark place that I was in, really. And yeah, I like uploaded it, and then someone viewed it, and I was like, oh, and I was just like, oh my god, I'm gonna delete it, because someone had watched it, and I was like, oh, this person is literally now just at home, and they're gonna be telling everybody they've ever met in their life that there's this idiot me, and that I'm like the worst person in the world, basically. And my imagination and my depression and anxiety at the time was just like, oh, delete it, you're just an idiot, what are you doing? And I didn't tell anyone. I didn't even tell Ben. I didn't tell Ben for like a month or 2 months, I think. I didn't tell my friends. I still haven't told very many of my friends, to be honest. My close friends know, and they're really supportive. But yeah, I don't know, I felt like I needed to do something for me, because having 2 babies I had Mika in September 2014, and then Aria was born in October 2015. So in 13 months I'd had 2 babies and moved house, and just, yeah, I just needed something for me, and it was the best decision ever. So yeah, that's that one. Kim K Photography says, if you had to wear one brand of makeup for the rest of your life, what brand would you pick? I think I'd probably pick Makeup Revolution, because I just really like them. They're affordable, and yeah, I think they're a really good brand overall. Oh, see, that's making me change my mind now. I'm changing my mind about the Morphe palette. I'm changing it to the Soph palette, the Soph Does Nails first palette. That would be the only eyeshadow palette I'd have, because that's got an array of colours. We're changing it. Sorry, we're changing the first question, yeah. Because, yeah, the eyeshadow palettes are amazing. I really liked I've got lipsticks that I like, I've had foundations that I like. The highlighters are amazing. So yeah, I will pick Makeup Revolution as a brand just for me, forever. And then Monster Moodle says, can you do a new house tour video? Yes, I will. As soon as we move, I will be doing, the day we move, I am planning to, the girls are going to be somewhere else. Mika will be at nursery. Aria is going to go to my friend's house, and then we're going to get the keys. I'm going to hoover everywhere through while the movers are having their lunch, and I will film an empty house tour and then upload that. And then obviously when we put everything in and it's all settled and we've done the decorations, because the kitchen needs doing and stuff, I will do another house tour. Monster Moodle again says, are you married? No, everybody seems to think that we are married because we have the same surname. Obviously my surname is Pert, Lucy Pertface, and that's just, Pertface came about because one of my friends used to just call me Pertface. But yeah, Ben's surname is Pert. My old surname was something else that was to do with my dad, and I didn't want anything to do with him. And when I fell pregnant with Mika, I decided that I would change my name to be the same as Ben, so that me, Ben and the baby would all have the same name. And banks and mortgage people and estate agents and solicitors cannot seem to understand that I am Miss Pert, not Mrs, and that we're not married. People ask for our marriage certificate all the time, and we're like, well, we're not married, and they're like, we got the same name. So no, we're not married. It cost me 45 quid to change my name by deed poll. Achieved by a wedding, and everybody assumes that we're married. We've got another one here that wants to remain anonymous. Do you watch sports? I watch football. I watch Arsenal. We are Gooners in this house. We're Arsenal fans. And yeah, before I had the girls, I'd watch, Ben would literally watch every single football match that was on telly every week. And I think if I didn't watch football, we probably wouldn't have been together, because he watched so much football, and I just sort of fell in love with football. I used to like it when I was little, and then had sort of like, I don't know, 20 years where I didn't really watch it, and then I loved it again. We used to go all the time. We'd probably go and see Arsenal like 5 or 6 times a year when we could afford to, but since I've had the girls, we haven't been. They are members of Arsenal, we're all members, and we have taken them to like a fun day there, and they've met Gunnosaurus, and they've been to the stadium, and we will take them to a match as they get older, but I don't really think they are old enough at the moment to appreciate it. But yeah, I watch sports, I watch football when I have time. Let me look. Another one from Monster Moodle. Why did you decide to make a YouTube channel? I've already answered that one, just because I was very, very lonely and wanted to make myself feel better. What are we doing now? We'll do this one. What was the last book you read? This one was from someone on Instagram who said please don't say my name, so I won't. And the last book I read was called You Let Me In by Lucy Clark. I don't know if you can see it on there. I'll put a screenshot of it on. But I got it on my Kindle for a holiday and it was awesome. I read it in like 3 days. It was really, really good. Kind of like a thriller, and it cost me 99p. So I will link that down below for the Kindle store or for Amazon, however you want to do it. But it's awesome if you like thrillers. Really easy to read, but like it had me just like, and I got it. I thought I got it right, what was happening, and then I was like, oh no, I'm wrong. And then I was right all along. So it had a little bit of a, made me think I was right, but then it just turned itself on its head and made me think I was wrong, but then I was right. So yeah. From Kimberly Anon, who I'll put on the screen, what is your favourite kind of video to make? Probably unboxing videos. I really, really love doing unboxing videos, and I like doing them where I have seen no spoilers, and I don't edit them. I literally just get the box, unbox it. I'm looking over there because I've got a box to unbox. Unbox it and then just put it online for you, like so you can see my initial reactions. I don't open the box first and go through it and then prepare what I'm going to say. I literally just like opening them, showing you guys, so it's all just a raw reaction. That's how I like doing it. Even if I don't like the box, I'd rather just be honest and show you. Another one from Kimberly. Who first got you interested in makeup videos? I think one of the first people I watched on YouTube was Tati, who I still watch all the time. Glam and Gore. Oh, Mikey, she is incredible. I did used to watch Laura Lee, but in light of the recent things, we are no longer subscribed to her. I also love Graveyard Girl. Bunny, she is incredible. I love watching her. I could watch her all day. But yeah, for makeup video, it would be Tati. She was the first person. Oh, and 11th Gorgeous. They were amazing too. They were my first kind of unboxing videos. What is one beauty product you couldn't live without and why? That is from Janine Hodgson. Probably something to do with my eyebrows, I think. Probably an eyebrow pencil. Not a specific one, but just something for my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are really pale and quite sparse, and I do like to fill them in and make them a bit heavier. And I do go out without makeup on all the time. Like, I've not got any face makeup on today. I've just got eyebrows, mascara and lip gloss, but I will always put my eyebrows on just because I feel more comfortable with eyebrows on. Okay, we've got Meg Curtis. It's kind of boring, but what is your holy grail ride or die makeup product? Ride or die? Trying to think. It would probably, again, it would probably be the Sophie Does Nails eyeshadow palette, because it's amazing. It suits so many different skin tones. There's such an array. Let me get it. Let me just get it. Wait there. People that haven't seen it, if I can undo my drawers. This one, it's very well loved, but it has got such a good selection of colours. They blend really nicely. The shimmers are amazing, the metallics are amazing. You've got some cool tones, some warm tones. It's just all round flinging, flanging awesome. So that would be my ride or die. Do you have any tattoos? Yes, I have lots. I won't show you. I'm wearing dungarees, most of them on my legs. I can't show you. I've got this one, which is, I got this one done in December. It is some makeup, so it's a lipstick, a mascara, a mirror, and then a skull. This is Ben's name in Morse code. I got this one done on holiday. It's a Greek evil eye. It's still a bit crispy because it was only done like 4 days ago. And then I've got, yeah, I've got up my back, both my thighs, my belly, my side, all around my ankles, my shins, back of my calves. I think that's it. So yeah, I have. And then the final question, the first question that came in, because I'm doing these in reverse order, was from the Josh Rocket, who is my brother, and it says, why is your brother so fucking awesome? Yeah, he's alright, I suppose. He's alright. Yeah, so that was my Q&A. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.